Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download a card issuer app for statement PDF downloads. Begin by unlocking your smartphone. Locate the App Store on your device. If you have an iPhone, open the App Store. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type the name of your card issuer. Tap the search icon to start the search. Look for the official app related to your card issuer. Ensure it has a good rating and positive reviews. Select the app to open its details page. Tap the Install or Get button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap the app icon to open it. If required, create an account or log in to your existing account. Follow the prompts to verify your identity if needed. Once logged in, navigate to the Statements section. Look for an option labeled Download Statement or something similar. Select the desired statement period for your download. Choose the format option, typically PDF. Tap the Download button to start downloading your statement PDF. Wait for the download to complete. Once finished, access your Downloads folder or notification panel to find the PDF. Open the PDF to review your statement. You are now ready to manage your card statements efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.